Hey friends, what if your face could instantly turn into a funny emoji that follows your every move? Welcome back to Codex Academy. Today, we will train AI to detect our face and create an awesome live emoji mask that moves with us in real time. So, are you ready to build something super cool with AI? So, let's jump into Scratch and start building.
So now we are going to create face mask on machine learning for kids. So what we are going to do, we'll open our browser and here we'll type machine learning for kids. Okay, just click on enter, and here, because we are going to apply the face mask on our face, so here we no need to train our model. Directly we'll go press 3.0 GUI. Here I am going to add an extension, that is video sensing. Here you can see my screen, right? Here I will take lock camera on, but the transparency, first I will make it 100. So my camera is on, but you are not able to see. Click on this. By this symbol, you can find out your camera is working or not. Great. Now we'll put click block over here. Now we want to apply face mask in some particular game where we use the live projection to control our game, but we don't want to show our face. So here we can use the face mask like emojis on the face and we can control the game, right? How it will work? Just add one more extension, that is face detection. Okay, you can see it has very minimum number of blocks, size of your face part and the stage, X chord and the Y chord, right? With the help of these blocks, the sprite will follow our face. If you want to create your own face mask, that also you can do over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll go to costume and here I will click on paint. I just delete these cat sprite. Okay, now on paint, I will click on text, and here what I'm going to do, I will take the emojis from the internet and I will paste it over here. How it will work? Like I will open Google. Now here I will type emoji copy. Okay, and here I will select first option, open a tab, and here you can see beautiful emojis are present. I will take this copy, go back to scratch screen. Great. And in this, I will going to paint one more emoji, copy, go back to scratch, this one. Sit at the center. Want to make it size big, you can make this also. Great. Now go back to code. Now we are ready to use face detection. With the help of that emoji will follow my face. So how it is possible? Go to control, take forever loop. First, I will make it size set according to my face. How it is possible? I'll just take look block and take set size to. And in this, I'm going to operator block and take multiplication and we'll put it over here. Now go to face detection. Here I will take size off. Here I will make the size set according to my left eye, and here the value I will put 3. And let's try it is according to my face size or not. Convert this stage to webcam. Now I'll make my transparency, instead of 100, I will make it 50. Now green flag, and according to my face, its size look quite small. So what I am going to do, I will make its size bit bigger, like this much. Okay, now you can see the effect. As I become closer, its size become bigger, and as I am going to far, its size becomes small, right? Now for this also, we'll make its size bit bigger. Okay, and here this size also we can increase, like make it 7. You can see how it detect our face and it change its size according to my movement, right? So because I'm very close to my camera, that's why my face is look big and I need to make my sprite size also big. But you can set your camera according to you and you can change the sprite, right? Now you can see not changing the position, but it's changing the size according to how much I close to the camera and how far I go. According to that, the emoji change its size. Okay, now I want it not only change the size according to I am going closer or I am going far. I want it should follow my face. Like you can see, it's not following my face, right? It's on the same position. For that, very easy coding. What we are going to do, first I'll make my transparency red. Click on green flag. Okay, make it stop. And now what I'm going to do, I will go to motion block and take two blocks, set x2 and set y2. Both this block over here. Go to face detection, take x coords and y coords, and this will put x in this, y in, and here instead of stage we are going to choose webcam. Now is the center part of our face, so that's why we choose nose, and according to my x and y coordinate of nose, this sprite is followed, right? Okay, now I just click on the green flag and you can see as I am moving, it also moving, right? And if I'll go back, its size is become smaller. If I'll come closer, its size become bigger. Now I'll make my transparency 0. See how smoothly it's following my face. Also change its size as I'm become closer, as I'm far. So according to that, it's change the size. Also change the position. Easily you can put face mask for your video, right? And if you want to change the emoji also according to your wish, that also you can do the simple coding over here, like on the green flag, control, put forever loop, then go to looks, take next costume, and I will put wait for second. Wait, now do you want to see the effect? See, every second it's changing its costume, right? And if I'll make the transparency 0, right? So according to that, whenever you want to show which kind of face you can do, and you can control the sprite also, right? Isn't it amazing? Yes, and it's super easy. I hope you like and understand this video. If you like, please like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.